Are you an e-commerce seller, marketer, or content creator struggling to keep up with fresh content? I get it. It's exhausting. But what if an AI tool could turn your website and product details into high-quality social media posts, and even voiceovers, in minutes, with no design skills needed? Sounds too good to be true, right? Stick around, because I'm about to show you how Pippit AI is saving entrepreneurs time and helping them create content faster than ever. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Ready to get started? Click the link in the description, sign up, and in no time, you'll be creating custom AI-generated content that saves you hours every week. First up, let's create a shoppable video using Pippit's Making Videos feature. In minutes, you'll have a video that promotes your products. Just paste your website link, add product details if you want, and hit generate. That's it. Pippit will auto-create your video, script, and voiceover. You're good to go. No hassle. Now let's take it a step further and customize your video dot. You can highlight the key points you want to focus on to make sure your message really hits home. Then pick a style that matches your vibe, whether you're going for a fun TikTok trend or a sleek product reel, there's something for everyone. You can even tweak the script to sound just like your brand. Make it personal, make it you. Want to make it unique? Choose from pre-built avatars or create your own. I'll show you how in a minute. But wait, there's more. You can choose the voice for your video or upload your own. Adjust the resolution, pick the language, and set the video length. All up to you. Once everything looks perfect, all you have to do is hit generate. And just like that, watch everything come together like magic. It's as simple as that. Now, if you're thinking, what else can I do with this? Well, you can create product promos, explainers, or handle customer inquiries, all without filming. Avatar videos are your secret weapon. Choose a pre-built avatar by applying filters, add your script, pick your language, and hit export. Your video will be ready for download in no time. Want to take it a step further and create a unique avatar for your brand? It's easy. Just upload a photo, verify it, and if it matches, click next. Name your avatar, adjust the voiceover or upload your own, and hit submit. In a few clicks, your custom avatar will be ready to enhance your social media content. But that's not all. What if you could do even more with your own photos? You can bring static images to life. Turn your photos into incredibly realistic, interactive talking videos in just a few simple steps. Click on AI Talking Photos. Upload your image in the recommended format and proceed to add a voice. Write your script, choose the language, and select the perfect voiceover for your message. Once everything is set, save and hit export, and you'll have a photorealistic video, complete with facial expressions and perfect synchronization, ready to download and use across all your devices. And the best part? It doesn't stop with just photos. You can take this even further, animate cartoons, animals, or even inanimate objects. The possibilities are endless, giving you all kinds of creative freedom to bring anything to life. Now, if you're looking for how to take all that creativity and turn it into something super polished, let me show you how easy it is to make stunning promotional posters. With Pippit's Posters feature, just upload your product images or import them straight from a product link. Then add your text, whether it's your event title, catchy slogans, or product details. You can even describe your vision for the poster, whether you want a romantic vibe with roses or a sleek modern look with bold fonts. The choice is yours. Now, once you've got everything set just how you want it, here's where the magic happens. Pippit's AI takes over and instantly creates a professional poster that matches your vision. Need to make a quick change? No problem. You can swap backgrounds, add lifestyle photos, adjust design elements, really make it your own. Once you've made it perfect and you're happy with how it looks, simply download your poster and you're ready to start sharing it across your social platforms. It's fast, simple, and makes your promotional material look super polished in no time. Now, turning your product photos into eye-catching posters is simple. Just click the link in the description below. Try it yourself. Simply upload your product image, add a prompt or reference image, and pick the poster design that fits your style. Can't wait to see what you come up with. Share your experience in the comments. If you like the idea of creating content quickly, check out Smart Creation. This feature delivers fresh, ready-to-post content straight to your dashboard every day. The AI takes your brand's assets and creates videos for you, delivering them straight to your dashboard. All you have to do is pick and post. It's that easy. Keep your content pipeline full and your audience engaged. Just a heads up, Smart Creation is still in beta version. Sounds great, right? If you want more time-saving AI tools, check out my other videos on the channel. You won't want to miss them. Thanks for watching.